Hey guys, and welcome to our chicken coop. This is our automatic chicken feeder that we've made out of PVC pipe. First, we used 3/4 inch plywood to make a storage box. We added some hinges to make a lid, and it's easy to fill. We just dump the bag inside. We used 3-inch PVC pipe, metal strapping to hold the PVC pipe to a piece of wood at the back. We used a 3-inch Y, and we sand down the edges just so it's not too sharp. It holds one large bag of feed, approximately 40 pounds. This feeder helps to eliminate food spillage, keeps pests away, and as a result means you save on chicken feed costs just because it's stored inside. We added a 3-inch collar to the top of the Y just to make it a little bit taller so that there's less feed spillage onto the floor. So this is our automated chicken feeder. We use it for approximately 20 chickens, and you can modify it or change it however you'd like. That's Mango. She's my favorite. We can go away for long periods of time, and they're happy as a bird. If you have any questions about the feeder, just let me know below. Hope you enjoyed our video.